turning my... Why is my number countdown upside down at the top? That's crazy. Anyway, I still got good supply of food. Gotta turn it and unlock it. I got this at Rural King. It's got like a vacuum effect. So, anyway, that's what I had in there yesterday. Take them out. Might as well pour it in here and rinse this out. I don't have a whole lot of room in here. Keep everything on the right side to keep it in the shade. I know, Daisy. It's not time yet. I don't want to have to watch this a little bit. I'm going to relax today with Steve on his day off. Okay. Giving y'all some ice cold water. If it gets real hot, I'll put your foot bath in here later. Oh my goodness. That is some talking right there now. Okay, let me spin this a little bit. Alright, let's put this right here. It's got like a vacuum effect, like I said. You push down, and it always makes a mess. You know, that's part of it. And you got it. Oh gosh. Hold on. There we go. You gotta lock it. And you gotta make sure it's level, or the water will just drain out all day. There's their grit and their oyster shell, which they eat more grit than anything, and they have to have grit or they will die. Because somehow these chickens know exactly how much they need of everything. They know when to come in, when to roost. It's just the most interesting thing I've ever seen. Who knew they were this smart? Watch me eat that ham. They've got ham and turkey and peas and tomatoes and a couple of pieces of biscuit from breakfast left over. I think that's it. I'll come out here after a while and bring you guys some watermelon, okay? Gotta wait a little while. Gotta wait a little this afternoon. Okay, girls. See you in a little while. I'll come back. Have a good breakfast. I love my chickens.